What if fish swim in the streets where cars belong? In 1906, San Francisco's bustling streets turned into rivers filled with oceanic fish following the catastrophic earthquake. As the city lay in ruins, witnesses claimed unexplainable sightings of deep-sea creatures usually found miles away from shore. This phenomenon mesmerized the public and puzzled scientists. It wasn't a flood or tidal wave, yet marine life seemed inexplicably transported. The rare appearance during aftershocks fueled urban myths, leaving locals and experts baffled.